5 seconds, 5 seconds. And freeze, 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 freeze. Give it up for our couples after round number 1. Ooh, ladies, do you agree? Are you ready for a cigarette and a nap? Yeah, me too. Let's turn it over to the judges to see what they thought. Let's start off with Nora. Nora, what'd you think?
Wow. First of all, I think Jose might have met his match. Lindsay, holy moly! I'm looking forward to more of that. And Elaine, thanks for shaking your moneymaker. Appreciate that. That was fun. Is it Paul? Paul from Minnesota?
And switch. Five seconds, 5 seconds. And freeze, 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 freeze. Give it up for our couples after round number 1. Ooh, ladies, do you agree? Are you ready for a cigarette and a nap? Yeah, me too. Let's turn it over to the judges to see what they thought. Let's start off with Nora. Nora, what'd you think?
Wow. First of all, I think Jose might have met his match. Lindsay, holy moly! I'm looking forward to more of that. And Elaine, thanks for shaking your moneymaker. Appreciate that. That was fun. Is it Paul? Paul from Minnesota? You dance like you're from Minnesota. Land of 10,000 clumsy white dudes. All right. You know, Ray, I was a little worried because at first I was like, does this dude need a laxative or what's going on? But then as soon as you were partner dancing, nicely done. You found your mojo. I liked it. Very nice. Nicely done, guys. I enjoyed it. Nice fun. Fun.
Thank you, Nora. Daniel, what'd you think?
That was amazing, all of you. And I would just like to point out that Edna, you are dancing very well for being the only one in heels. Round of applause for Edna. And Star and Randall, you guys look like you've been dancing together your whole lives. Good stuff out there. I like it. Keep it up. All right, the rest of you, keep up with Edna.
Thank you, Daniel. Bob, what'd you think?
Yes, I do agree. Edna was absolutely amazing out there. She's also in a limited outfit, so there's not a whole lot she can do. And she did it really, really well and kept it tasteful. Some of the other things I saw, maybe not so tasteful, but gosh darn it, was very entertaining. And I have to agree with the Minnesota problem. That's all I can say. Midwesterners, I get it. I'm from the Midwest, but, you know, rhythm, you know, escapes us Midwesterners. So there you go.
All right, thank you, judges. Now what we're going to do is our judges are going to throw up a number of one of the bottom performers. Maybe somebody that could have stepped it up a little bit more, because at the end of this round, the audience is going to choose one couple to eliminate. So judges, right now, throw up the number of one couple that you would like to put on the chopping blocks. Throw it up there. You don't have to be the same one. You don't have to be in agreement. Just throw up a number. To the front. Throw them up, throw them up, throw them up. Okay, you chose the same one. Couple number 3, come on up here to the front. And couple number 6 to the front. Couple number 3 and couple number 6. You can keep one couple. You have to clap, you have to cheer, you have to make some noise for the one couple you would like to keep in the competition. If that couple is number 3, make some noise. If it's number 6, make some noise. Okay, clearly the ladies have made their choice. One more time. Number 3? Number 6? The first couple headed to the back is couple number 6. I'm sorry, couple number 6. Around the corner. Our remaining couples, come on over to the dance floor. Find yourself a spot, find a position. We're going to head into medley number 2. Your first song. When you hear the music, here we go.
Drop it, lock and drop it.
And switch. Five seconds. Freeze. Give it up for our couples after round number 2. Judges, let's start with Daniel. Daniel, what'd you think?
I would just like to thank all of the dancers for that last song for pouring some sugar on all of us. Well done, guys. I liked it. I liked it when the couple number 4 gave us the King of the World on the table. I thought she might fall and break her leg, and that might have ruined it. But she didn't. Way to not break your leg. That's all I got.
Thank you, Daniel. Bob, what'd you think?
Well, I take back what I said about Edna on the first round. That got a little less tasteful, but it's very impressive. It's the kind of thing, if you put that on Facebook, they would have had to remove it. But very well done. I'm very accepting of that. Absolutely.
Thank you, Bob. Applause break for taking it off Facebook. Nora, what'd you think?
Well, Randall, I gotta say, you are making Paul from Minnesota look like Prince. That is, you gotta loosen up, dude. You're from Costa Rica. I thought it was all, Latin mambo down there. Anyway,
It's hard to mambo to Def Leppard.
That's
Excellent
quite true.
point.
That's true. That's quite true. Maybe we'll have a salsa song and you can redeem yourself. You know, Edna, I think the dress is working, and I would friend you if that makes any difference. And I would like it. I would put a big old fat like on that dress. All right, that's all I got.
Thank you, Nora. Okay, now before we eliminate one of our couples, let's throw it backstage to Adam. Adam, what do you got for us?
Well, hello, Armin, and hello, everybody, and welcome, of course, to the Losers Lounge. I'm here with our first two losers. We have James and we have Elaine. Now, Elaine, it's always tough being the first loser of the competition, but tell me how you feel about it. How'd you enjoy it?
Very sad because James was one of the best dancers out there, and I'm sorry that he got stuck with me. But
Spoken like a true loser. Now, James, tell me a little bit about the competition.
Let's throw it backstage to Adam one more time. Adam, what do you got for us?
Stop. Oh, man, we're on TV. I'm on TV. Well, hello, Armin, and welcome to the Losers Lounge. Totally forgot. I'm actually here with Jessica, one of your losers, and Ray. Hey, Ray. Hold on a second. How you feeling, Ray?
Good, I think. I know this is the loser's lounge, but I feel like a winner.
Yes, isn't that true, Jessica? All right, well, anyways, enough with the competition, because I'm enjoying this. Back to you.
I thought this was a family show.
All right, we got one more medley before we let you choose what you want to win the competition. All right. Thank you, Adam. Was that an all at the end there? Oh, well, doesn't matter. Okay, judges, I need a number of the couple that you think should be on the chopping block. Doesn't necessarily need to be the same number, just the one you individually feel needs to be up there. Throw them up. Let's see them. What number? Number 1 and number 2. Come on up here to the front. Couple number 1 and couple number 2. You can save just one couple. Clap, cheer, make some noise for the couple you'd like to save. If it's couple number 1, make some noise. If it's couple number 2, make some noise. The couple headed to the back is couple number 2. I'm sorry. All right, couples, take to the dance floor. We're going to move on to our last round before the individuals. This is your last chance to make it into that individual final. Strike a pose. Bust a move. When you hear the music, here we go.
Everybody was kung fu fighting. Those kids were fast as lightning. In fact, it was a little bit frightening, but they fought with expert timing. There was funky Chinaman from funky Chinatown. They were chopping them up, they were chopping them down. It's an ancient Chinese.
And switch.
It's close to midnight. Something evil's lurking in the dark. Under the moonlight, you see a sight that almost stops your heart. You try to scream, but Jared takes the sound before you make it. You start to freeze, and so it looks you right between the eyes. You're paralyzed, 'cause this is it.
5 seconds, 5 seconds.
And no one's gonna save you from the beast of one strike. You know me, see it. Feel it now.
for our couples after round number 3. Couples to the wall, couples to the wall. Let's turn it over to the judges, and let's start off with Daniel. Daniel, what'd you think?
All right, Paul, you not only dance like a guy from Minnesota, you do karate like a dude from Minnesota. But here's the thing. To the Michael Jackson. The Michael Jackson is the Filipinos have an advantage when it comes to Michael Jackson songs. All right, because when Michael was turning from black to white, there was 5 minutes that he was Filipino. And Jose, I am glad that when you took your belt off, that your pants didn't fall down.
Thank you, Daniel. Nora, what'd you think?
Wow, I'm telling you, I really think, Jose, you keep trying to upstage Lindsay, but she is having none of it. I like that about you. I like that a lot. And she knew the dance, too, which I liked. I like the whole Thriller thing going on. Have to concur with Paul about the karate. I don't ever think you should ever kung fu fight. You got to keep that up. And, just really, I like the spirit of all of you. You are entertaining, to say the very least. That's all I got.
Thanks, Nora. Bob, what'd you think?
All I can say, that whole display was the closest thing I've ever seen to a zombie apocalypse. And other than the song choice being highly offensive to me for kung fu fighting, the attempt at martial art moves was even more offensive than everything. But you got through it. So we're going to have a tough decision on this one.
All right, thank you, Bob. Okay, let's throw it backstage to Adam one more time. Adam, what do you got for me?
Well, once again, everyone, welcome back to the Losers Lounge. I have here Randall, and I have here Star. Now, Randall, give me some 2 cents on tonight's competition. Your thoughts?
I don't know, I really enjoyed the competition.
Okay, yeah, he was happy. He was happy. I mean, I don't even think he understands. Randall?
I know this thing now because I don't speak English well.
Okay, you also don't dance very well, Randall. That's the truth. Now, Star, your thoughts?
Well, I don't think we got really connected as a couple because the judges, nobody gave us a lot of time, so we didn't have time and,
All right, well, sometimes, Star, it's not always about you or your partner. Sometimes it could be the music selection. Sometimes it could be many other things. It could, for instance, it could be your footwear that you're wearing that night. I don't really know what it is to make a difference, but sometimes, it needs to all add up. And when it doesn't, unfortunately, you are the losers. So thank you so much, Randall. Thank you, Star. You guys you're terrible. Back to you, Armin.
All right, let's eliminate one more couple. Judges, throw up some numbers. What do you think? To the front, I need couple number 1 and couple number 6. Couple number 1 and couple number 6. Up here to the front. And number 6. I don't think number 6 is there. Bob, number 3 coming up to the front. What was that, Nora? Okay, clap, cheer, make some noise for the one couple you'd like to keep in the competition. If it is couple number 1, make some noise. If it's couple number 3, make some noise. Headed to the Losers Lounge is couple number 1.
Well, so long, goodbye. Well, so long, goodbye. You're leaving me.
All right, come on. Actually, you know what? Couple number 3, we're going to end with you last. We're going to start off with couple number 4. Coming up here, couple number 4. The other 2 couples, take a step to the side. This is the individual round. This is where you let your personalities come loose. Come on over here. We're going to let you choose from the 3 judges that we have. Which one do you connect with the most? Which one do you like the most? Which one would you like to listen to a dance style from? One of the 3.
Nora?
Nora. Okay, Nora, tell us what song would you like them to dance to?
Wow, this is new. You didn't tell me I had to pick a song.
I'll pick it for you. Here we go.
There we go.
Couples,
Good
take to
one.
the
Good
floor.
idea.
This one is the tango.
Oh, I love the tango.
is. All right, Ronnie, come on out here. Come on out. Come on out. Let's move on to our next couple. Come on over here. Okay, of the remaining two judges, which one do you like the most? Which one would you like to choose?
For the dance?
Yeah,
Rock and roll.
rock and roll. I think that means Daniel. Daniel, what would you like?
What kind of dance style or pick
Just
a song?
give me a song.
Give you a song?
Yeah.
Old time rock and roll.
Okay, I don't like that one. We're gonna do this one instead. When you hear the music, here we go. Time.